everybody. Happy Thanksgiving. There's so much to be thankful for, and I'm just so grateful for everything that happened in my life. Check this out. This is our Thanksgiving cake that I'm gonna be eating with my USA family. I'm just so grateful for so many things in my life, from so many amazing people. Hope's coming on. Okay, Hope. Hi, Hope. So this is Hope, and I think he wants the tiramisu Thanksgiving cake. Ah, Hope! Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Do you want to check out the cake? Okay, say what you're thankful for, Hope. I know you're thankful for your mommy, for your flock, for your house, for living in this beautiful country. What else? And for this cake? You want to pick out not the chocolate, no. Do you want to pick out the strawberry? Hope, strawberry or grapes? What do you want? Do you want a strawberry? Blueberry? Raspberry? What about raspberry? No, now he's all shy. Hobie, are you all shy? This is a tiramisu cake. Come on, pick up a raspberry. Oh, he's going for the blue. No, what is this? Oh, great. Well, this is living with birds. Mwah. Hope is eating the blackberry that he picked out from the Thanksgiving cake. Take it. Take it, baby. Take it. Good boy. Good boy. Blackberry. So everybody, happy Thanksgiving. Look at the best thing in life, the bright side in life, and not the negativity, because it doesn't bring you further. But there's so many good, great things happening, and happy Thanksgiving again. And thank you for subscribing, and I will see you later. Bye.